Good afternoon, participants. Warm welcome to second day of the today workshop on citation reference management. So we will start exactly at 3:30. Erin, you can start.
Respected resource person, faculty members, and participants, a very good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Irene Liz from MCOM FA, welcome you all to the second day workshop on citation and reference management. Prayer is the world's greatest and the most efficient wireless connection. Before we start the session, let us invoke the blessings of the Lord Almighty through a silent prayer. Thank you. I hope you all had a fruitful learning experience yesterday. Dr. Mathivanan, sir, had covered the basis of Mendeley and the application of various tools and techniques of Mendeley. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. Now, I would like to welcome our dynamic resource person, Dr. Mathivanan Periasamy, to take over the session.
Thank you, Erin.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon. Yes, I thought today we can start with the Q&A. Irene summarized our learning yesterday. So based on that, if there are any queries, yes, we'll discuss. And from there, we can move on to today's topic.
So participants can unmute yourself. We have
Yes.
enabled. You can unmute and ask the questions. So if you have any specific area where sir should focus, you can also request that.
Yes, because today being the last day.
Yes.
Yes.
So I hope participants are able to unmute yourself.
Okay.
Sir, I think we will start.
Yes, then I'll proceed as per the plan which I have. Okay. Yes. So once again, I welcome you all to the second and last day's session. Directly, I'll just share my screen and I will demonstrate. Dr. Ashik, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible, sir.
Okay. Okay. Right. So yesterday, we were discussing about bringing our e-resources into Mendeley. Then if Mendeley fails to capture some information, then how to feed those details manually. We have seen that. So we have our PDF files in our system, in our laptop, and that has been brought into Mendeley, which we call as Mendeley library. Mendeley library. So yes, this is Mendeley library. Here, I'll highlight some of the icons here. Now these all documents, irrespective of the folder, irrespective of the day in which we brought those articles into Mendeley. Yes, this option, all documents under my library, display the entire library. And if you want, yes, we can sort it. We can sort each of the every labels here, authors, title, year, published in, etc. Then we have seen about creating tags, our own keywords, which will be very helpful when we are writing our report or consolidating our report. That is the use of my tags or keywords. So few keywords which I have demonstrated is my introduction, for my discussion, my base paper. Okay, all these. Then I have demonstrated how to insert any e-resources into our document, be it a research article or a thesis. Yes, and there we had few queries, and with that we finished yesterday's session. We were also discussing about the integral referencing style. When the author name and year are part of the sentence, and the sentence will become meaningful and it is logical, then we call it as integral referencing. So the next one is non-integral referencing, where the author name and year is part of the sentence. Even without the author name and the year, the sentence is complete, it is meaningful, and it is logical. Okay, so such referencing styles are called non-integral referencing styles. Non-integral referencing, where author name and year are not an integral part of the sentence. Right. So today I would demonstrate this non-integral referencing and how it is used in the context of academic writing. Now I will take the same Word document which we used yesterday, that is sample article. I'll open that. Yes. Now this non-integral referencing is mostly, it is used in the results and discussion section. Results and discussion section, where we bring in the claims of lot of authors together. So during the course of time, I will also demonstrate how to insert multiple citation. Okay. Now, yes. Now, let us say more than one author have conducted a study on the same domain, and they also report similar findings. In such cases, this integral referencing or this multiple citations would make sense, it would be meaningful. For example, in corporate governance research, there is a finding. Better the corporate governance of a firm, better is their corporate social performance or corporate social reporting. So let us say more than one author or more than one study has reported the same finding. I'll write the statement. There is a positive relationship between corporate governance practices and corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility. And let us say this finding is reported by more than one studies. So let us keep the cursor here at the end of the sentence. At the end of the sentence, go to references. Meanwhile, Mendeley is already running. Okay. Go to references, insert citation, go to Mendeley. Now we should know which of these articles report the similar findings. So let us say this article by Naveed Muhammad, that article, and another article, let us say the report or the article by Shawan TM. So now I have clicked or selected the first article which reports a positive relationship between corporate governance practices and corporate social responsibility. I have selected that article. Then press the control key and select another article which reported the same finding. Now let us say this article. Yes. Now two articles are selected. remove the finger from the control key. Now this cite icon is enabled. Just click that. Just click that. Yes. Now see the sentence once again. There is a positive relationship between corporate governance practices and CSR. And this finding is reported by Naveed et al. 2020 and Shawan and Fadala 2020. Even without the author names, this sentence is complete and it is meaningful. Such referencing are called as non-integral referencing, where the author name and year are not an integral part of the sentence. And this is mostly used in our results and discussion section. I will demonstrate one more time. Now there is another one relationship. More the number of women directors on corporate boards, better is the firm's corporate social performance, CSP. Another finding, CSP. More the number of women directors on corporate boards, better is the firm's corporate social performance. Let us say this finding is reported by more than one study. So let us go to insert citation, go to Mendeley. Let us say 3 studies reported the same findings. Maybe this one. Press the control key. This one. And let us say this one. So 3 articles selected. Now release the finger from the control key and click this cite option. Yes. Now 3 studies inserted. When you click refresh, yes, we can see all the references here. This is about inserting multiple articles or multiple citations using Mendeley. This is non-integral referencing style. Yes. Any doubt here? Yes. Now, how do I know that these articles report similar findings? How do I know that? While reading the article, yes, I should create a tag. Maybe positive relationship between CG and CSR or CG CSR relationship. Women on board CSP relationship. I should use the keywords, tags, then it would be easy for me to locate the article. Otherwise, it is difficult. If you look at any of the top tier journals, you might come across these citations. A single finding reported by so many articles, so many authors. This is how it is inserted. So all these things, it's a gradual process. So whenever we read articles, we should create some tags so that while consolidating our research paper or a report, yes, Mendeley makes the entire process easy. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Now, I will include few tags and try to insert multiple citation. Yes. Now, see, whatever we are telling is all our assumptions. Okay. we'll go to this introduction section. There is a strong evidence for academicians' interest in corporate governance theories. Now, what are the differences? What is the strong evidence that academicians are interested in corporate governance theories? Now, let us go to Mendeley, insert citation, go to Mendeley, go to Mendeley. Go to Mendeley. Yes, go to Mendeley. Now, let's say I have a keyword corporate governance theories. Corporate governance theories filtered by my tags. Now select all these articles, and click cite. Okay, now all these 4 articles, they talk about corporate governance theories, or how corporate governance theories are tested by researchers or academicians. So this is the advantage of using my tags, especially while reading the article itself. One more option is also there. Let us say women on corporate boards, study conducted on the presence of women directors on corporate boards. Now, the works of, let us say, so many authors. The works of here, let us search women on board. Women on board. BOARD, board. Okay, now we have used the keyword searched here because we have not given any tags, but simply somehow we want to show that we have referred here and there. Yes. Now, instead of this works of, I'll just remove this. We'll frame some other sentence. Yes. Now, go to insert citation. We'll insert. Go to Mendeley. These articles, they discuss about women on board. Women on board. Now you see women in corporate boardroom. Select that. Press Ctrl key. Women on board and its impact on performance. The number of women on corporate boards. Women on board of directors and CSP. Women on boards. Let us say we need these articles. Just we can insert. So using the search option also, yes, we can identify articles and insert them in our work. Now we have to frame the sentence accordingly. Okay, this is one way. Now, if we know the author name, then directly without going to Mendeley also, we can insert the citation. How to do that? Yes. Now go to insert citation. Usually we'll go to this option. Go to Mendeley. Now if you know the author names, you can just type the author name. Now there are some researchers who focus mostly on non-financial information preference of equity investors. A team of researchers. They are called Cohen and Associates or Cohen and colleagues. So now I know that author. So Cohen and colleagues. Yes. Now we can just enlarge this. Okay. Sorry, it should work. Okay. Cohen. No, I'm trying to enlarge this, but okay. Okay. Now, if you see, type Cohen, I can just scroll down. So many Cohens are there. Yes, this Cohen. Okay, first. Then once again, some more work by this Cohen, type Cohen. Scroll down because I already know the authors. Yes, this Jeffrey Cohen. Now say, okay, yes, we need not go to Mendeley at all, but Mendeley should be running at the background. That is very much essential. One of the participants yesterday in the WhatsApp chat also asked a question, right? The group. So the Mendeley should run in the background. So if we know the author name, yes, without going to that cite option, directly we can cite from here. So as we get familiarized with Mendeley, as we get familiarized with our own research, then all these shortcut options can be used to insert the citations. Okay, here I'll stop for any further queries.
Sir, I think they have doubt regarding how to add this Mendeley plugin into Word document. So I think still they have some doubts regarding that.
Okay. Okay.
So they are not getting this in the Word, they are telling how
Yes.
to add this.
Now how to add that? Before that, you should close all your Word document. Now I'll close this Word document. Yes, we should close all this Word document. Closed, all Word documents closed. Go to Mendeley, go to Mendeley, go to tools, go to tools. Yes. Install MS Word plugin. Install MS Word plugin. In my case, it is uninstalled. The reason is already I have installed MS Word plugin. So it is showing uninstall. In your case, it should show us install MS Word plugin. Just click this. Yes, it will be installed. Now open your Word document. Now open your Word document. Open your Word document. Go to this references tab, references. Under that, you should see this Mendeley icon, insert citation and open Mendeley options. Please try and let us know. Yes, madam. Yes, one participant. Yes, madam.
Yeah, sir. In the tools, it is.
Sorry, madam. Your voice is breaking.
That Mendeley site for Microsoft Word. Is that the one you are speaking of?
Madam, is my screen visible to you, ma'am? Madam, can you see my screen? Yes, madam. Now see, madam. References. Reference and in Microsoft Word.
It is visible.
References. Yes, I'm
Yes, sir.
talking about this icon, madam. This pan. Here, madam. Under references tab.
Okay, but
Yes,
that appears as, just a minute, sir, references. Mendeley site, it comes.
Okay.
That icon.
Mendeley site. Okay.
In the Word, that icon of red icon of Mendeley has come, but it says it is named as Mendeley site, CITE.
Okay.
Have I gone through the wrong this thing? I'm not sure.
No. Ma'am, after the session, just you can share your screen, ma'am, and we'll try to sort it out. Is that fine, ma'am?
Okay.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Yes. Anything else? So today, yes, we have just discussed about this non-integral referencing, where the citations are not the part of the sentence, and how to insert multiple works, multiple citations. So as we familiarize with Mendeley options as well as our own research, then definitely we can do these citations very quickly using all these shortcut methods. Okay, now whenever we click this insert citation, see, search by author, title or year in my library. So I can also type the year 2021. Yes, all the numbers, the 20, whichever 2021 is there, it is coming. Then in Indian context, corporate governance research, Bala Subramanian et al. Yes, all this work, N Bala Subramanian, all this work will be listed. So just we can search here itself and click and insert. Yes, as we familiarize with our research. Otherwise, go to Mendeley, locate the article, then click insert, and the citation gets inserted. Okay, is that fine? Shall I proceed? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, whatever we have done yesterday, I'll go back to that. Goel 2018 explored the effectiveness of corporate governance reforms. Right now, this citation, Goel et al. Or Goel 2018 is within the bracket. So whenever something is within the bracket, then it becomes a non-integral referencing, where if you remove the author name, then the sentence is not complete. The sentence is not meaningful. So the name must be part of the sentence. But in our case, by default, the names are within the brackets. Now, how to edit that? Now I will demonstrate how to edit citations. Right.
So
now,
one participant requested to, can we explain again the process of citing this? This Goel 2018, no? She
yes.
wanted to show once more.
No. This we have done yesterday. Yes, I'm demonstrating.
Yes.
Maybe, yes. We'll open an article. Yes. Let us say we are reading this article and we are in our introduction section. Let us say introduction or literature review. A literature review section. Yes. Usually our literature review starts with author and year. Okay. That is the format we use. Yes. We'll review. Now, while reviewing, மேடம் அந்த பொண்ணு எனக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கு, நீங்க கொஞ்சம் மீட் பண்ணிருங்க. Hello. Thank you. Right. Now, whatever we are looking for, yes, in most of the cases, it is available in the abstract itself. Then why the entire article? Yes, that they will come. Or why we want to read the entire article? One of you should. Yes. Hello. Yes.
Sir, I'll mute the participants, sir.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
Only question session unmute.
Yes.
Open the chat.
Dr. Ashik, you can mute all participants during Q&A. Yes, you can unmute. Yes. Okay. Right. Some entertainment in between. All right. Now, yes. Okay. this sentence. Okay, this sentence I copied. Yes, we need that. Now I pasted. I have pasted here. Pasted here. Sometimes this happens. No problem. Okay. Okay, this sentence I have copied now. Now go to references, insert citation, go to Mendeley. This is the article which we are reading, highlighted. If you have any doubt, yes, here the article PDF file is open here. You can click that. If you have a doubt, yes, this is the article we are reading. Now the site icon is here. Site icon is here. Now Chahal Kumari conducted a study or a research to measure talent management using corporate governance as a proxy, and examined the impact, or it's already is there. Examined its impact on business performance. Then you can write about the sample size, the methodology. You can write about the methodology. We are not going into that. Yes. Now see, Chahal and Kumari 2013 conducted a research. Now this Chahal and Kumari is within the bracket. Usually when there is a bracket, you would keep reading that words, right? But we should have as Chahal and Kumari bracket 2013. Then it is meaningful. Chahal and Kumari conducted a research to measure talent management using corporate governance. Now, how to do that? How to do that? If we cut this, then we are doing a manual edit. Then Mendeley auto edit will not take into effect. So we should not cut and paste. Okay, we should not delete. We should not delete anything which the Mendeley brought inside. We should not delete at all. Okay, that is a caution. We should not delete anything which comes through Mendeley. Now, how to do it? Now, see the references tab. We know this insert citation. Insert citation. Now, when I keep the cursor on the author name, see how this insert citation is changing. Okay. Now, I'm keeping the cursor on the author name. Yes. Now, see that insert citation changed to edit citation. I'm keeping the cursor somewhere else. It will change to insert citation. I'll keep the cursor on the author name, changes to edit citation. When you get this edit citation, click edit citation, click edit citation, click edit citation. Now some additional options pop up. Chahal 2013, Chahal 2013. Okay. Now I'll cancel this and come once again. Now we want the year alone inside the bracket and author names before the bracket. So let me copy, not cut, just copy the content, whatever is before the comma, just copy. I have copied. Now edit citation. Now some letters are highlighted in blue. Now delete that. One semicolon is there. Now when I delete that semicolon, see what is happening. Yes, some more options are enabled. Now at this point, you click this suppress author. Click this suppress author and click OK. Click OK. Whatever we have copied, just paste it. Whatever we have copied, just paste it. Yes. Chahal and Kumari 2013 conducted a research to measure talent management using corporate governance as a proxy. Now, Keep the cursor in 2013. Yes, it gets highlighted. Keep the cursor in Chahal and Kumari. Yes, nothing. This is inserted by us. So color will not change. This, when you keep the cursor, color will change. The meaning is it is inserted using Mendeley software. Now I'll repeat the same step for this Goel 2018 article. I'll copy Goel, or I can type also Goel. I'm copying. Go to edit citation, delete whatever is highlighted, delete the semicolon, click suppress author, click OK, copy, paste the content copied. So Goel 2018. Now Sarkar et al. So copy up to Sarkar et al. I think we should, whenever you are using et al, yes, we should copy full stop also, because it is short form. So we have copied. Go to edit citation. Go to edit citation. Delete whatever is highlighted. Delete the semicolon. Check this box. Suppress author. Click OK. Paste whatever we have copied. So this is how we should edit citations. This is how we should edit citations. Yes. Any doubt? Or just you can raise your hand or post in the chat box. Yes?
We have not received any messages, sir.
Okay. So this is how we should edit citations. Right. Now, yesterday, one of the participants were asking about page numbers. That depends on the journal to which we are sending our article or the university to which we are submitting our thesis. All these are specified in the journal page or in the university website. Now, how to do that? We'll scroll down. Yes. We'll edit this Mukherjee paper. Go to references. And before that, copy the spelling Mukherjee. Copied. Edit citation. Delete the contents. Now we have this page number. Page. Let us say page number 9. And say, okay, let us see what is happening. Yes. Mukherjee 2002, page number 9. If you want to suppress the author also, yes, we can do it. Edit citation, delete semicolon also, suppress author, select. Now we have copied Mukherjee. Yes, Mukherjee 2002, page number 9. So this is how we can insert page number also. So whenever we click this, edit citation, delete. Now prefix, suffix, some other citation styles. If it requires to add a prefix or suffix, yes, definitely you can add prefix or suffix using this edit function of Mendeley. Okay, yes. So this is how we can edit citations. What about editing multiple citations? Yes, it is not required, because whenever we are inserting multiple citation, yes, this is the format. See here, Navid et al. 2020, here is not within bracket. Sawan and Fatal 2020, all are inside the bracket. Okay, right. So this is about editing citations. Now I will go back to Mendeley and we'll see some other options. Yes. I'll close this article. Now let us say they have completed this article and it is sent for publication. Okay. Now we want to work on a different article. Now, how to do that? Now here, when we have the cursor here on all documents, whatever the article we have in our Mendeley library, all are displayed. Now we want to work on a new research paper or a new project. Now what we can do is create a folder, create folder option is there. Just click that, create folder. Yes. Corporate governance, CSR article, corporate governance, CSR article. Name the folder and enter. Yes. Corporate CG, CSR article. Yes, this is fresh. No article is here. Now we have to add the articles which we want to use for the current paper. How to add that? File, add files. Now we have the second folder, resources for activity 2. I'm opening that. I'm selecting all the articles, Control A and click open. Yes. All these articles are here. Now here, yes, something is missing. So we can double click. Yes, it is a report. Or a book. We'll just see that global perspectives on corporate governance and CSR. Yes, I think it is a book. It is a book. Okay. Now we can feed the details. Global perspectives on. Yes. CSR authors. Okay. We have the editor names. Enter. Copy the next author. Paste. Enter. David. And see the information. Year is 2009, pages 364 pages. And whatever the information you need, yes, we have to feed in here. Publisher, Gower, Gower, or we can copy and paste. Gower Publishing Limited. We are copy pasting. Publisher. Edition, no edition. City. Now close this. Yes. Wherever some details are missing, yes, we have to feed it manually. So now, yes, yesterday we had a different folder, and today we have this folder, which is corporate governance and CSR article, corporate governance and CSR article. Now earlier, yesterday we used this folder, K KJC folder, we had all these articles. So this will not confuse, we will not confuse between different works of ours. So we can maintain different folders depending on our need. If you see my screen, yes, I have different folders. Corporate Governance India, Corporate Governance Index, Corporate Governance Models, Corporate Governance and International Review. All these are available in folders. Okay, so this is how we can create folder and have articles. Suppose we want to bring articles from some other folders. If we are interested, let us say we are having the articles in Corporate Governance and International Review, and we want to have these articles in KJC folder. Just select the article, left click, and can you see that one article is selected? You can drag and drop inside this folder. Now Kaya idle article is here. Can we bring multiple articles? Yes, definitely we can bring. Select what are the articles you want to select. Select, left click. Yes. Now, okay. Select, press Control key for random selection. For selecting multiple articles, press Control key. Yes, select the articles whichever we want to have for the new work. Then release the Control key. Press that left click. Yes, now 5 articles are selected. I'm bringing inside this KJC folder and release the finger. Yes, these 5 articles. See the folder name KJC. We have brought it recently. So this is how we can swap between folders. We can bring articles. And if you want to delete, yes, we can right click and delete the articles. If we delete, it is now, let us say this article is selected, right click, remove from folder, or you can say delete documents. Yes, deleted. Then you feel that by mistake you have deleted, then there is one trash option, trash all deleted documents. Click that. Yes, these are the articles deleted. These are the deleted articles. If you want these articles to be in your folder, once again, just right click and there will be one option called restore. Sorry. Restore. Okay. And there will be one option, restore. Yes, it is available. Okay. I'm sorry. Restore. Restore. Okay. Yes, there will be one option called restore. Yes, but anyhow, it is not displayed in mine. Restore. Okay. Anyways, if you feel you have deleted by mistake, yes, it is there in your trash. Anytime you can have the access. If you want to permanently delete, yes, select all and you can delete here from the trash, like our email inbox. It is already there. Okay. Now, okay, see here, restore. Okay, it is here. Select the article and click this restore. It will go to the original folder from where we have deleted. Sorry, this option is here. The restore option is here. Maybe some updates, new versions. Yes, the option is here. Otherwise, it will be it should be available in the right click also. Okay, right. Now These are some of the functions. Now I will go to this all documents. These are the articles. Now, if at all you feel that, yes, because we are creating so many folders and we are downloading from different databases and we pull in all the articles and we may feel that there might be some duplicates. Now, how to check that? Now, whatever may be the folder, yes, you can select the folder. You can select the folder, any folder you want to check, you can select. You can select the folder, go to tools, go to tools, go to tools. Yes, check for duplicates, check for duplicates. Mendeley has identified three items are duplicates in this particular folder, women on board. Now here a confidence scale is given. Confidence scale is given. Now Mendeley is almost 100% confident that the two items are duplicates. So now what you want to do with the duplicate? Now there is, if you are selecting this, there is one option called merge. So here also it says no conflicting fields. Mendeley has identified two articles. From the two articles, no field is conflicting. All fields are same. Type, it is a journal article. Title, do women in top management affect firm performance? Author, yes, Dharmadi. Journal, corporate governance, the International Journal of Business and Society. Here, no conflicting fields. Now, what to do? Yes, we can merge that. So say merge, confirm, merge. That is gone. You may also choose to delete that. Now, if there is a duplicate, you may also delete that. Now here, one small arrow is there. Just click that. Just click that. Sorry. Yes. If you click that, double click that arrow. Yes, these are the items. These are the duplicate items. Now, if we scroll down, see here, two files are there. You may choose to remove one of these files or delete one of these files. Now, right click and delete document. Still, it is there. I think more than two is there. So double click. Okay. Come down. Only one file. Right. Delete. Okay. Delete completely. Now, yes, double click. Yes, two articles are there and no conflicting fields. You may choose to merge or you may choose to delete. If you have deleted by mistake, then go to all deleted documents and our deleted article should be here. Now this also can be sorted. Yes. I deleted one article, women on board article. Women on board. Yes. This article, I will restore this. Yes. So this is how we can identify the duplicates, if at all any duplicates are there. Yes. Function. Now, one important function, especially related to internet connectivity. Now I'm in my office. I'm using office Wi-Fi. Now, while going home, I'll use my Wi-Fi at my home. So sometimes when you are logging in into Mendeley, that is you signed out and you are logging in, Mendeley will not log in. It will throw some error. Now how to overcome that? Go to tools, options. Under options, you have connection. In connection, you click this box, check this box, use system connection settings. I'm repeating again. Go to tools, options, connection, and check this box. Use system connection settings and click OK. Click OK. Now, whatever may be your internet connection, Wi-Fi, yes, your system will not prompt for or any error. Just when you click in, yes, when you feed the details, it takes you to Mendeley. Okay, so this one of the important option. Now, one more important option is now, yes, now we have a folder here, and under this folder we have this two folders which is having different articles or e-resources. Suppose one day our desktop will be full and we may delete, or sorry, we may cut this and paste somewhere else. I'm doing that now. I will cut this and paste somewhere else, maybe research. Yes, and I have pasted here. Yes. Now let us go to our new folder, which is corporate governance CSR article. Okay. Right. Actually, in my case, this article may be saved in different folders. So it is opening. But if you change the location, all these articles are path specific. And this article will not open. It would throw some error. I would demonstrate that now. So to avoid that, what we can do is we can use one option called watch folder. This file, there is one option called watch folder. Now, what is this watch folder and how to use it? This watch folder helps us to maintain all our e-resources in one particular place. So now we should choose a place in our laptop, a location in our laptop, let us say research. Now we'll create one new folder and name it as any name as you like. Name it as watch folder or my watch folder or my resources or my research articles, whatever may be the name we can give. Okay, we have created one new folder. Now go to Mendeley, file, watch folder. My watch folder is in research, under research. Now select that and name is my research articles. Check that box and click OK. Now what happens? Mendeley watches for the articles coming into this folder. So whenever some articles comes into this folder, Mendeley by default updates the article into its library. And I will not disturb that watch folder. I will not cut that, paste somewhere else. It is undisturbed. So we will not lose any of our articles. If we are copying and pasting somewhere, or we are cutting and pasting somewhere, then we will forget where we have pasted that. And once again, we will be searching for the articles. So to avoid that, we are creating a new location, a folder. This folder, we will not disturb at all. We will not cut this and paste anywhere else. So now whatever comes into that folder, Mendeley automatically updates its library. Now we'll see how that is functioning. Now, right. I will come to this once again. Some of you, if you want to demonstrate, I will come to that. Now I'm going to Google Scholar, scholar.google.com, scholar.google.com. Corporate governance during crisis. Corporate governance during crisis. Corporate governance during crisis. Yes. Now Google Scholar database. Yes. Now, yes, this is the keyword, corporate governance during crisis. Scrolling down. Yes. The role of corporate governance strength in crisis and non-crisis times. Okay, I need this article. I'll open. Is corporate governance relevant during financial crisis? Yes, I need that article. I'll open. Did corporate governance improve bank performance during financial crisis? I'll open. Okay, let us 3 articles we have selected. Now we'll go. Yes, is this available for download? Yes, one PDF file is there. Is there? I will download. I'll download and I will save this. I will save this. Wait a minute. Journal Applied Economics. The role of corporate governance strength in crisis and non-crisis times. Authors Bakar Al-Gamar, Kothanur Isa. Okay, I am downloading. And what is the location? The location is my watch folder. And there it is under research. Under research, my, what is that? Yes, it is here. My research articles. I'm selecting that and say save one article. Okay, one article saved in my watch folder. Now go to Mendeley. Go to Mendeley. Yes. The role of corporate governance strength in crisis and non-crisis. Applied economics. Al-Gamar, Bakar, Ismail. The article is here. Okay, now we can open and we can read, cite, yes, whatever we want, we can do. Yes, now it is in the default library. If you want to take this to a new folder, let us say corporate governance during crisis, corporate governance during crisis. Yes, that is the folder name. That is the folder name. Go to all documents. Yes, what is the article added? Yes, now we have added this. Yes, select this article, drag and drop inside corporate governance during crisis. This is available. Now we'll download one more article. We'll close this. Yes, Applied Economics downloaded. Now this article, PDF available. Yes. Science Direct. Journal of International Financial Markets, Karthik Gupta, Chandrasekhar Krishnamurthy. Okay. I am saving it in my research articles folder. Save. Save. Now go to Mendeley. Go to Mendeley. All documents. Yes. Karthik Gupta, Krishnamurthy, Chandrasekhar is corporate governance relevant during financial crisis 2013. If we want this into our new folder, corporate governance during crisis, yes, we can drag and drop into corporate governance during crisis. Yes, now we have 2 articles in this folder. So now whatever comes into this watch folder, Mendeley updates those articles automatically into the library. And this folder we will not disturb at all, so we will not lose our articles. Otherwise, once again we will cut, paste somewhere, and we will keep on searching for the articles. This is the use of watch folder option in Mendeley. Yes, I will stop here for any queries. Otherwise, I will proceed with other options in Mendeley. Yes.
Sir, we have a few questions in the chat box. Sir.
Yes. Yes, doctor.
Sir, Jays is asking, can this Mendeley to be used along with Google Docs?
Professor, see now doubts based on whatever we have done.
Yes, sir.
Then only our flow will be maintained.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please. See why I am stopping. I am stopping because somebody, they may be following, but maybe some disturbance. They might have left something. Yes, such questions.
Sir,
These are all.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes,
will
sir.
take up later.
Fine,
Okay.
sir. Fine, sir.
Yes. Yes. Whatever is
Sir,
demonstrated.
can you please show
yes.
how once again how to remove duplicates? Bella
Yes.
Thomas asked.
Yes. Yes. Very good. That's what I expected. Sometimes we'll miss, no, because of internet connectivity or something else. Yes. Now, whatever may be the folder. Okay. Let us say articles May 2019. These articles I am going to use in a new article or new paper. I want to test if there are any duplicates. Yes. Go to tools, check for duplicates. Yes. Now see, no duplicates found in this folder, articles May 2019. No duplicates. Let me check in one more folder, corporate governance in India. Tools, select the folder, tools, check for duplicates, no duplicates found. Now I'll click this all documents. Definitely there will be a lot of duplicate because it is showing articles from different folders consolidated and showing here. Now go to tools, check for duplicates. Yes, searching for duplicates in all documents. Now 159 sets of duplicates are available. See the confidence level. Mendeley is 100% confident that the articles shown here are duplicates. What about the second article? Yes. Once again, it is 100% complicates. Sorry, here the duplicates have conflicting fields. And do you want to merge? And what are the conflicting fields? The conflicting field is title is different, but authors, journals, other numbers are same. Now we need to take a call. Now how to identify? Scroll down. Yes. So here in one reference, PDF file is there. In another reference, PDF file is not there. So I choose to delete the reference which is not having a PDF file. When I delete, yes, that will go. Now it is not a duplicate. Now this second reference, I am double clicking on this arrow. Yes, no conflicting fields. Either I may choose to merge these two into one file, or I may scroll down and remove one of these files. Yes, that will go. Okay, it has gone. So this is how we can identify duplicates. We can merge the duplicates, or we may choose to delete the files. Yes. Now I will close this. So we have downloaded PDF files. And we have saved in our watch folder, and automatically the articles are included in our library. Now let us say we have, we want to cite, let us say, physical copy of a book. Let us say we have a copy of a book. Now no soft copy is available. Now how to cite that in our work? How to create an entry manually? Now how we can do that? Go to file. Before that, we may choose any folder, or by default we can click file Add entry manually. Add entry manually. Add entry manually. Now, yes. What is the type? The type is book. Type is book. Select the type. What is the title? Book title. Book title. Let us say marketing, research and applied orientation. Name of the book. Who are the authors? Naresh K. Malhotra. Enter. Sadhya Bhushan dash. Sadhya Bhushan dash. I think B. Sadhya Bhushan dash. Enter. Year 2016. Pages 847. City, New Delhi. Edition, 6th edition. I think 7th edition. 7th edition. Publisher, Pearson Higher Education Limited. Pearson Education Limited. Now, any other information? No. Enough. This information enough for citing a book. Save. Yes. Now we have the entry here. Malhotra Naresh dash Sadhya Bhushan Marketing Research and Applied Orientation 2006. Now, how to use that? Now we'll go to this methodology section. Methodology section. According to, we'll insert the author. According to, go to Mendeley. According to, the Likert type scale can be treated as an interval scale. Okay, now we have inserted that. According to Malhotra and Dash, the Likert type scale can be treated as an interval scale. Now we'll edit this. We'll copy Malhotra and dash, edit citation, suppress author. Yes. So these authors very strongly, they argue that, yes, the Likert type scales are interval scales. Yes. So like this, we can add any entry manually. Okay, now at later stage, if we can borrow this book from some sources, a soft copy, now we can attach the soft copy here. Now you see the icon. Just look at the first and second entries. First entry, the PDF icon, Acrobat icon is missing. Adobe icon is missing. Here we have the PDF file. So when we double click this, a PDF file is opening. Rather, for the first entry, if you double click, no PDF file is attached. So icon is not there. Now, if you scroll down in the details tab, if you scroll down, there is one option called files. Now, at later stage, if we have the soft copy of the book, we can click this file option, locate the file and add the PDF file. We can locate the file and add the PDF file. Let us say we have the PDF file. Okay, we have the PDF file. Yes, this is the PDF file we have attached. Now see, we have the PDF file. Malhotra Naresh PDF file is available. So this is how we can enter any entry manually. For time being, I'll remove this because that is not at all related to this. So I'm removing the file option. File, yes, removed. Here we will not have PDF file. Okay. So this is how we can bring entries manually. At later stage, we can attach PDF files. This is one way. Now, yes, we'll go to Google Scholar. Next, I'm going to next page. Okay, I'm opening this article. Okay, but see, we don't have access to this article. We don't have access to this article, but we are interested to have this article in our paper, in our work. But unfortunately, yes, it is not available for free download. Now, what usually we'll do? Yes, we will go through the abstract. Yes, some content from the abstract. Let us say this, we need this, maybe entire abstract, let us say, copy, and we will go to this research literature review section. We will paste here. Paste it. Paste it here. Times New Roman. Yes. Now we have to insert. Right. Now, how to do it? We have to insert. Now, usually what we might have done earlier, we will copy the author names. We will copy the, it's not coming. We will copy the author names. Copy 2020. This is how we might have done. Oh, sorry. Examined the effect of. This is what they have done. That's all. And what about the references? References, yes. Citation, anything is there? We will look for citation. Okay, nothing is there. Then we will go back. We'll go back. Once again, we will go back. This is the article. Here, the site icon is here. Site icon is here. We will click that. And we are using API style. We will copy this. We will copy this. And we will paste at the end. Because the article is not available. Somewhere we will copy paste this. This is how we have done. Right. Now, instead of that, yes, you come up to this point. Come up to this point. Then we have four different format. BibTeX format, BibTeX, EndNote, Ref Manager, RefWorks, Ref Manager, RefWorks, Ref Manager, RefWorks. This Ref Manager is compatible with almost all the reference manager. So just click that format, Ref Manager. I'm clicking that, see what happens. Once we click that, there is a file downloaded, Scholar bracket 2 RIS file format, Research Information System format, Research Information System format. We have brought the file as downloaded. Now go to Mendeley, go to file, and say import Research Information Systems format. That is the format we have downloaded. So click that. Now the file is in my default download folder. Now click this. Say open. Yes. Now you see bank, corporate governance, and real estate lending during the financial crisis. It is there. Journal of Real Estate Research, 2013 or 20? 2013 only, but by mistake I have typed 2020. Sorry. This 2013. Okay, so volume 35, issue 3, page number, everything is available. Now we have already copied the abstract. Now we can cite this using Mendeley. Now keep the cursor here. Keep the cursor here. References, insert citation, go to Mendeley. This is the article and click cite. Click cite. So Penny et al. 2013 examined the relationship. This we have pasted manually and we will delete this. We will delete this. Now we'll delete this. Now that Penny article, Control F, PENI. Yes, references here. Penny, Smith, and Mahama, 2013. And the citation is here, Penny et al. So this is how we can bring in RIS files into Mendeley if you don't have access to the full PDF article. Now, yes, we can download any number of RIS files, and at one go, we can import all those files into Mendeley, and that can be used in our work. Now double click, and we have the abstract also. Now we can copy the abstract, and paste in the abstract section. This is the article we are working on. So just we can paste here. Yes, now we have the abstract also. Yes, I will stop here for questions from whatever we have done.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, just now you said about where, once again, can you locate once again that if the article is not in the
Yes, sir.
folders,
I'll do it,
I
sir.
forgot once again.
I'll do it, sir.
And one more question is there. It's like till now when I did not attend this course, then I had simply I was adding all the PDF in the Mendeley.
Yes, sir.
I did not create any folders.
Okay.
So now I want to segregate.
Okay.
So how to do, because there are different article I wrote for research proposal I wrote, then how to segregate that one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. I will demonstrate, sir.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Now, yes. Now I'll go to next search page. Okay. Let us say demonstration. Let us say PDF file is not available. Click this site icon, sir. Click this site icon. Yes, sir. Please, you can mute yourself, sir. Now, after you click that, here this reference manager. Okay, reference manager tab. Just you click that. You can see a file downloading here. Earlier we had Scholar 2. Now we have Scholar 3. Close this. Let us say we are interested in this article as well. Now click this site icon. Click reference manager. Yes, Scholar 4 downloaded. And scroll down. Let us say we are interested in this particular article. Click the site icon. Click reference manager. Now we have downloaded 3 articles. Now go to Mendeley, file, import, and the file type is research information systems file. Click that. Locate the file. The downloaded files are in default download folder. I know the location. So select these files. And say open. Now all these 3 are available for further citation. Okay, sir. Now here we don't have published in. Yes, might be Howard Sheki Oscar. Yes, this is SSRN e-journal. We have to specify that. SSRN e-journal. That is why that journal name is not available. That already mentioned. If the file is not in a standard format, PDF file, then Mendeley fails to capture the information. So this is SSRN e-journal, electronic journal. We have to specify that manually. And if you want the abstract, then we have to open this, copy the abstract and paste. Okay, actually this is working paper. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. And file type is working paper. File type is working paper. Working paper. Working paper. Yes. Whenever we say working paper, then it would ask for institute details also. University, place of the institute, everything will be asking. That all depends on the type of the file or the resource which we are going to cite. Because there are several citation styles, more than 200 citation styles are available. We management people, we are majority of the time we use APA style. Engineers, they use IEEE style. Then nature style. Science students, they use this nature style. Literature students, they use Model Literary Association style, MLA style. Then there is one style called Vancouver style, Chicago style. Then once again, management graduates, they use Harvard style. Lot of styles are available. For each style, citation is different. Citation is different. Now you see, yes. This is Harvard. This is APA style. Leave is 2001. Leave is comma 2001. Punctuation is not here. Like that, for each and every style, we have to cite book differently, article differently, or book section, a chapter differently. Yes, any e-resources, depending on its type and depending on the citation style, yes, differs. So whatever the information is needed for citing, we have to fill all those information in Mendeley. Only then the citation would be complete. If we are citing a book, yes, the book needs the publisher name, then place of the publisher also. So when we are feeding in the details, let us say we are feeding in manually, then we have to include those information as well. Because the citation style mandates that for a book, yes, the publisher name and the city of the publisher should be available. That's why we are feeding in all those details. Yes. Okay. Now, yes, this is how we can bring from any research databases, whether we can download and import the PDF files, or we can download the RIS file, Research Information System file, and we can bring into our Mendeley. This is importing. Now, export option is also available. Suppose, let us say we want to share these articles with some of our co-scholars or our students. How to share that? Now yes, now two views are available. Before that, I'll show that this view option. Now, by mistake, if at all somebody you clicked this, sometimes you will click this. Okay, so now yes, author, year, journal name will not be available. Yes, it is displayed as a citations. Now go to view, library as citations, library as table. Some of our students, they might have heard that, see, whenever you are writing a project report, sir would ask for at least 50 references. So though you have cited inside or not, but in the bibliography or reference section, include at least 50 references. Now what our student would do, just select randomly some references, right click, copy as formatted citation, then just paste here. Yes. or I'll paste in Word. I'll select a new Word document. Yes. Now, yes, 50 citations are available. These are just we are copying and pasting. Anything, even let us say articles in May 2019, select all the articles, right click, copy as formatted citation, go to your Word document. Yes, everything is available. So we have just copied and pasted all the references. Okay. Yes. Now this is one option. Now if you want to share these articles, just right click, export, export as. Default name in Mendeley is my collection. Bib text, we select RIS format because this RIS format is most widely used format, and any of the reference managers would accept this format. So select that format. Default name, my collection. Choose a location and save Now, yes, we'll go to desktop. I have selected desktop as the default location. Now this my collection.ris has the information about all these 117 articles. Okay, it has the information of all the 117 articles. This is export function. Now there is one more option. Now select all the articles, right click, export PDFs with annotations. Export PDFs with annotations. What is doing? Yes. Export. Yes. Now this file will have all the PDF files also attached with it. So now this can be used. You can share this with your colleagues, or if at all you want to do text analysis using these 117 articles, because nowadays we have this thematic analysis, then text analysis. There are several softwares like NVO are useful in doing a text analysis. Then we have this bibliometric analysis. For all these things, this should be very much helpful. Now open export folder. Yes. I'm sorry. No, it should not come like this. It will come as a single file. But here, yes, all the files are available. It will come as a single file. That single file will have the PDF files attached to it. And that file can be used in a text analysis or further analysis. I'll just do Control Z. Okay, it's not going. Now, Control Z. Okay, not going. Now this file, if you are this file is just 161 KB. If you are using the same file in this system, yes, if you are importing this file once again into some qualitative data analysis software, then the software will fetch all the PDF files as well. This file, though it is 161 KB, this file has the PDF files of these 117 articles. Okay, and that can be used as a input file for our qualitative analysis software. So this is sometime later we can use this. So this file, this single file from Mendeley is used as input for text analysis. Input for text analysis. Yes. Now we have seen two different styles, integral and non-integral. Now see the domains, different domains. Biology, yes, 90% they use non-integral referencing. And what about us? Yes, marketing, 70% we use non-integral referencing and 30% integral type of referencing. And what are the words we are using while paraphrasing? Yes, philosophy students, they use so and so, say, suggest, argue, claim, point out, etc. And marketing management guys, we use suggest, argue, demonstrate, propose, show, etc. Okay, so these are some of the words which are used while framing sentences, especially literature review. So with this, I'll stop for any queries. Then Ashik has to decide. Yes, doctor.
I think we have enabled the chat for the participants. If still any queries are pending, we will take only important queries because we already have taken 5 minutes extra. I think we want to keep the program time bound, so we'll not be extending much. So if any important questions are there, you can ask the first person.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, if it is possible, that YouTube video and Coursera video, how we can cite through Mendeley.
Sir, that only I told no, sir. That
Yes, sir.
I don't know. I tried,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
I was searching for some resources, but I couldn't locate. But what I suggested was, sir, this one. But I do not know whether it is right. But for time being, I use this method. But only senior professors should comment on that. Okay, YouTube. Now, this one, sir. This I downloaded today. See, a discussion on metro rail project in Madurai. The channel is Palanivel Tyagarajan, Tamil Nadu Finance Minister. So what I did was, yes, I went to this YouTube. In YouTube, while playing this video, I used this Mendeley web importer. Mendeley web importer. Then Mendeley web importer captured all the information related to the YouTube video. And this is how I got the reference. But it captured not as a YouTube video, but as a web page. And the web page URL is given. Now, yes, this is the only suggestion I have, sir. But I have thoroughly searched. Even I have written to Mendeley people also. Last time I wrote on this, they said they will reply, but as of now, I didn't get any response to that, sir. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you, sir. Yes, madam, then Google Doc, sorry, I have not tried. Maybe you can try, madam. These are the fundamentals. So on this, just you can build. A lot of YouTube videos are available. So when we are confident with the fundamentals, definitely we can build to any levels as per our requirement. Google Docs, I have not tried, madam.
I have a query, sir.
Yes, madam.
Yesterday when I had raised the question that whether we can, extract the files from Google Scholar to directly to Mendeley, so that can happen through watch folder or RIS format reference manager, right, sir?
Madam, that for lack of time, I couldn't demonstrate, madam. In Mendeley, under tools, we have this install web importer. Actually, in my system already it is installed, but even then it is showing install web importer because I use 2-3 accounts, Mendeley accounts. That may be the reason. So now you have to click this install web importer. Now Google Chrome, then Internet Explorer, that is Edge, Microsoft Edge, then Mozilla Firefox, whatever may be the browser you are using. So depending on that, you should choose the web importer plugin.
Okay.
Then after that, the plugin icon is visible in your browser. I am using Google Chrome and it is visible. Now I'll quickly demonstrate that also. Scholar.google.com. I am searching corporate governance during crisis. Yes, these are the articles. Now let me use this plugin. I'll just click that. When you are using for the first time, you should sign in, but already in my case I have signed in. Yes. Now all these articles. Whatever is here will be displayed here. Now my library, that is the default location. If you want any of your folders, yes, you can just click this and select the folders. Whatever folder available in your Mendeley library, yes, everything is here. Let me check corporate governance during crisis. CG during crisis. I have one folder. Ashik sir, 2 minutes.
Yes, sir, no issues, sir. Yes.
Yes, we created. Okay. That folder. Okay, madam. For time being, I will take. Okay. Okay. Which folder? I'll take this folder, KJC folder. Okay, folder is selected. Folder is selected. Now articles. Okay, let us say I need this article. 12 references are selected on this page. I selected one article. Second article also I have selected. Yes, third article also I have selected, but PDF is not there. For the first 2 articles, PDF is there. It is checking for the PDF. Fourth article, PDF not found. Yes, let it be. I'm selecting. Okay, madam. Okay, other articles, PDF, it is searching. Not fine. Okay, okay. Now I have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 articles I have selected. Now click add. Click add. Click add. Now these 8 articles, it should come into my library. Into my library. Now, before going to the library, which is in our laptop, we have to go to our online library, mendeley.com. Mendeley.com. Yes. Now here, this is my online library. For the first time use, you have to log in. Online library. Yes. Now these are the articles which we imported. Now see this Taylor and Francis article. You can see. Okay. See here. The role of corporate governance strength in crisis and non-crisis times. PDF file is available. Taylor and Francis 2018. Role of corporate governance in bank failure during recent financial crisis. All those articles. I'm going to my online library. Yes, these articles are available. Now, if we want this to reflect in our desktop, that is system, we have to sync this. We have to sync this. Just click this. It is getting synced. So when it is synced, whatever the changes I made here, it would reflect in my laptop library. Now go to this. Unsync here. Now whatever changes we are making here, it would get effect into online library also. Whatever changes made there, it would reflect here also. So it is being synced. Earlier I have not synced. That's why this folder, corporate governance during crisis, is not reflected in my online library. Now, what was the folder we were using? KJC. And see the articles? Yes. Now 5:11 p.m. 5:11, 5:11, 5:11. These articles are imported. And in that articles, these 8 articles, we had 2 PDF files. Yes, it is available. And this PDF file is also available. Yes. Thank you for reminding, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, this is how we can use web importer. Yes. Yes, Dr. Asik.
I think one more last question we'll take. If any important queries are there, we can. Otherwise, we'll wind up the session. I think we are extending 15 minutes more for the at the interest of the participants.
Yes.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam.
First of all, I would like to congratulate and thank you for giving us so much of expertise regarding Mendeley.
Thank you, madam.
Sir, actually, I didn't know all these options which were available. I was just randomly using it. And I have imported the files through the Mendeley web importer. Now, how to sort out, I do not know, sir, actually. Is there any shortcut method where I can sort out already imported files? I think there are more than 1,000 files which I've imported because I'm doing my research. So is there any shortcut method? Can you please tell, sir?
No, madam, no shortcut methods available. We have to do it step by step only, madam. One is, first you can sort based on the dates, because articles are brought in at a point of time. Let us say today, I know, yes, I have brought in some articles. So we can sort it by date added. Now, after sorting by date added, now you can see the articles, madam. For example, see, madam, June 22nd, I want to highlight these articles. June 22nd, I have brought these articles. Corporate governance convergence, lessons from Indian experience. Corporate governance, evidence from India. Corporate governance in Indian economic reform. Corporate governance and financial performance. All these, yes, some relationship are there. Now what I can do is, let us say, create a folder, CG and performance, some keywords, madam, CG and performance. Now go to that all documents, that June 22nd articles, that June 22nd articles, whatever highlighted, you select those articles, drag and drop inside that folder, madam. This is the one way which I know how to create folders and add the articles. Yes, madam.
Okay, thank you so much.
Otherwise, you have to search variable names. Let us say women on board. Search variables. Yes. Now all the articles are displayed. Now select these articles. Select all the articles. Then, okay, select all the articles. Then drag. Before that, create a folder. Drag and drop inside the folder. Yes, ma'am. This is how you can group your articles.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Sir,
No, suddenly my system hanged. Okay.
Sir, shall we wind up, sir, with your permission?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Before that, I have to thank Dr. Ashik and Madam Madhu for giving me this opportunity. I also thank the Father Principal and Dean for allowing me as a resource person for this FDP. I would also like to thank my guide, Professor Kasilingam. Whatever I have demonstrated, it is only because of him. So whenever we had workshops, FDP in Pondicherry University, every time he wanted me to add some new component to my session, demonstration. That at that time, I was thinking why he is doing all these things. But now a lot of scholars and faculty members are being benefited through sessions like this. So I like to record my thanks to my professor and guide, Professor Kasilingam. Yes, Ashik, thank you so much. Participants, thank you so much for your patient listening. My WhatsApp number, it's there in the group. So anytime, yes, we will be in touch and we can learn together. Thank you, one and all.
Yes, yes. So I think we have a formal valedictory session. So I read.
Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. On this note, I request Ms. Adipa to propose the vote of thanks.
A very good evening to one and all present here. Great things happen to those who don't stop believing, trying, learning, and being grateful. It gives me immense pleasure to propose the vote of thanks for this 2-day workshop on citation and reference management organized by Department of Commerce PG, Kristujayanti College. On behalf of the department, I extend a sincere thanks to our resource person, Dr. P. Mathivanan, Assistant Professor, Sivani Institute of Management, Secunderabad, who spared his precious time from his busy schedule. We had an opportunity to attend your lessons, and this will surely help us in our future endeavors. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
I would also like to thank Mendeley Cooperation for their association with the Department of Commerce PG in organizing such a resourceful workshop for the betterment of the academic community. I thank Reverend Dr. Augustine George, Principal, Kristujayanti College, for his continuous support during all such programs. I thank you, Father. I thank Dr. Aloysius Edward J., Dean, Faculty of Commerce and Management, who has always provided us with his commendable guidance and encouragement at every point of time. Thank you, sir. I'm grateful for Professor Madhu Dhruva Kumar, Coordinator, Commerce PG, for being the constant support and gracing us in all activities held by the department. Thank you, ma'am. I thank Professor Mohammad Ashik, Faculty Coordinator of this workshop on Citation and Reference Management, for your efforts towards making this event a huge success. Thank you, sir. I thank all the faculty members of Department of Commerce PG for their support and guidance throughout this program and making this occasion to happen so wonderfully. Thank you, professors. I would like to thank all the participants for your active participation and for your cooperation in making this event a resounding success. Thank you. Last but not the least, I would like to express my vote of thanks to all my co-student coordinators who gave their time and efforts and worked dedicatedly for this gathering. Thank you so much. Thank you once again. I remain.
Thank you, Adipa. As we come to the end of this learning experience, I request you all to fill the feedback form. The feedback form is available in the chat box. The e-certificates will be provided to the participants who have registered and filled the feedback form. E-certificates will be given in a week's time. Now, I request two participants to share your feedback about the workshop.
Yes, we expect any two participants to express your feedbacks about the program.
Bella Thomas.
Yeah, so I would like to thanks immensely to Dr. Mathivanan Periasamy. Very beautifully he has explained the concept. I would like to share my experience that I was already using Mendeley since last 1.5 years. But the way he has explained was so lucid, was so clear that, I don't even need to pen down anything on my notebook. It is so clearly fit in my mind that I am sure that I am not going to forget any of his points for a lifetime. That was such a lovely explanation. Thank you so much, Professor Mathivanan, and I thank Kristujayanti College for this wonderful event. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your kind words. Now we are very happy to hear that. Yes, anyone, one more, I think we will, one more participant if you have any words to say. And we have shared the feedback form in the chat box. You can fill that, and we'll be conveying you regarding the e-certificates and updates. You can also find the feedback form in the WhatsApp group. I have shared that in the group also. So I think we have come to the end of today's program. So formally, our faculties are having another meeting simultaneously. So they are unable to attend here for the valedictory. So I thank on behalf of the entire faculty and Department of Commerce, PG, as well as the Citation College management, all the participants who have wholeheartedly involved in this 2 days workshop. And also we look forward to see you again in the future endeavors of our department and college. So very happy to host you all here. And if we had offline, we could have all met physically and interact physically here itself in the college. So we missed anyway that. So hope in the future we'll have such kind of events. So once again, I request all the participants to enable the videos, and we'll take a formal photograph virtually. So kindly enable your videos, and then we will wind up the program. Yes, thank you so much for enabling the videos. And I'm ending the meeting with your permission, sir. Once again, thank you very much, sir, for giving the wonderful lecture for the two days. So
it's my pleasure, Ashik.
Definitely,
thank you for the opportunity.
Keeping in touch with you for future programs also.
Definitely. Okay, thank you all. Bye. Have a good evening.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.